Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to check out the Deecent hot sauce branded with Trailer Park Boys. If you've seen that show, it's a wacky show. So if you haven't, go check it out. But this is actually produced by Coney Island Saucery. So it says Coney Island Saucery presents Trailer Park Boys Deecent hot sauce right there. It is a 6.7 ounce bottle. The heat level on here says it's 4/20. I guess that kind of goes in part with the Trailer Park Boys kind of branding it that whole way. It says a Louisiana style garlic forward hot sauce with a silky texture and a right amount of heat. Made with fresh all natural ingredients and made by hot sauce fans for hot sauce fans. So we're going to try this. It says pairs well with greasy burgers, chicken fingers, pepperoni, scrambled eggs, or any food you want to make Deecent. All right. Not so sure what I'm thinking about this one, but looks like it's got good consistency. If you've tried this one, let us know in the comments below. Other ones like this. Vegan, gluten-free, and Sam Squanch free. Okay. So let's check it out here. I have my trusty assistant with me today. Made up some chicken nuggets. Pretty good smell to it. Not bad. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead, dump it in there a little bit. So it is a little bit liquidy, like some of the other hot sauces. So you'd probably want to use it on wings. And if you're gonna want a thicker coating, you can probably cook it down with some butter and do it that way. But that's, if I can show you, that's kind of coated right there. I'll show you one of these. That's the coating right there, nice and good. Woo! There's one for you. And one for me. Again, that's the Deecent hot sauce by Coney Island Saucery. Let's go ahead, check it out. Not bad. Has definitely a little bit of a bite to it.
Very good.
That's really good. Got a little bit of that after kick in the back of the throat. You got that pepper flavor, but also some really good garlic to that as well. These would be really good on wings. Definitely what I would say, like a low to a medium level heat, right? Nothing crazy, nothing over the top that's gonna burn your mouth out. So if that's what you're looking for, you like a little bit of a spice and a kick, I think this is really great for you. I mean, just overall, I think it's really decent, right? All right, I'm gonna try one more here. I would like it, kind of hard to see there, but I would like it a little bit thicker. So, like I said, if you're gonna put it on wings or something else like that, instead of using it just as a dipping sauce or on chips, I would cook it up with some butter and just thicken it up. I like when you put it on your tongue, you get like that little quick, like that little hit of pepper. And it's like a little, woo, here you go. But let's see what kind of pepper is actually in it, if I can read this. Here you go. Cayenne base, distilled cayenne peppers, vinegar, garlic. So those are mostly the pepper that are in a cayenne base and cayenne peppers. Pretty good. So let's shake it up before you have it. That was awesome. So if you're a fan of the show, want to support the show, and also a fan of hot sauce, hey, here's something to add to your collection. Great on wings, burgers, pizza, eggs, pretty much anything. I mean, we put hot sauce on everything, right?
Yeah,
probably just drink it out of the bottle. Why not? Again, this is by Coney. I can't even talk right now. Still got it in my mouth. Sorry. Coney Island Saucery, and this is the Trailer Park Boys Deecent hot sauce. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do, and I'll see you soon.